Hey there, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to install MovieBox Pro on your Android TV in just a few simple steps. First, ensure your Android TV is connected to the internet and that you've enabled installations from unknown sources. To do this, head to the Settings menu, select Device Preferences, then go to Security and Restrictions. From there, toggle on the option to allow installations from your browser or file manager. Next, open the web browser on your TV. If you don't have one, no worries, just download the Downloader app from the Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app and enter the official MovieBox Pro website URL. You'll be able to download the latest APK for Android TV directly. After downloading, your TV will prompt you to install the app. Just hit install and it's good to go. Once installed, open MovieBox Pro from the app section. If the app asks for permission, go ahead and allow them so everything works smoothly. Now log in with your MovieBox Pro account or create a new one using the provided browser link or QR code. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to a variety of categories like trending movies, new releases, and TV shows. You can stream or download content depending on your plan. And that's it. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.